Okay, UsdCad is on level 3, and if you notice right here, it's peak formation level 1 right here, level 2 stop hunt, level 3. Now on this level 3, you notice there's been a lot of activity, and I'll show you right here. When it starts zigzagging like this is third level activity. This is what I look for during NFP. And what I'm looking for, okay, so you have the peak formation low right here, which is activity, third level activity from a descent from earlier. You notice that right there? Level 1, level 2, level 3, and then after that it was a spike to the low, broke the previous low, and just kept consolidating. This is what you call level 3 activity on a 4-hour chart, which is right here. You see that? So we're at peak formation level 1, level 2, and level 3, and then just start chopping up. So right here, they made a quick 3. From here, it was level 1, level 2, level 3, and the reason why the levels aren't as equal as the previous 3 levels is because it's a downtrend. So they make 3 quick ones, 3 short level 3s here, and based on my analysis, in my opinion, what I'm thinking they're going to do, and I could be wrong, but I'm looking for a move that they might make, and this is what I'm looking for right here in this pair. You notice how they continue to consolidate right here after doing all this third level activity. You notice they're starting to consolidate. Well, USD, when NFP comes out, if it spikes this way and breaks this previous high and closes underneath this line right here, then it's dropping. So if it spikes up and then closes below the previous day's high, it's going to drop all day long, and whoever's on there is going to get paid, because it's going to drop past the water. It's going to drop past the 200. I don't know how long that's going to take, but it's going to drop past the water, the 200, and it's probably going to hit the blueberry by the end of the day or by next week. Now, if it stop hunts down, then I'm not going to get in it, because my bias is bearish. So, and plus you have the M forming, then drop. You have divergence right here. If this continues to rise and TDI continues to stay down, then that's an indication. You have it on the hour chart, shark fin out of the water, divergence right here. Even on the 4-hour chart, you have extreme on the overbought level right here. So it's extremely high on that side. It's extremely high right here. And what I'm looking for right here is that to show some divergence, bearish divergence, even though that price is going to rise. I want to continue to see the fall of this, but the way I trade it is very quick. I go down to the minute chart. Well, I start from the 15-minute, and then once the news start, I see what direction it's going in. As soon as I see the direction that it's going in, I go to the minute chart and I take a look, and I look at it. As soon as it does something like this on the minute chart, it's over. I got him. I got him with the shark fin out of the water on the minute chart. I close. I open the position right here. My stop loss is right above the high on the minute chart, which means that my stop loss is very tight, and I'm riding it all the way down. The most I've ever made in 45 minutes is 3,700. So hopefully, that can happen again. If not,